Makiaria hindi ya urugoria wa ibuku rirananio ta nyeki cia Afrika ya irathiro mwena wa Nanyuki kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, ataaramu a nyeki maugite kuri na ugwati wa mithemba itiganite ya nyeki kuhuka kaimana itangithaitirwo kwa ihinda riri.
Now we're in the middle of a major drought here in Laikipia and in northern Kenya, and grasses are very crucial because when it does start raining, the first plants that will appear will be the grass, because they are hidden in the ground and they're able to survive and grow thanks to good stewardship of land. So Laikipia County is very lucky because it's blessed with hundreds of different species of grasses. And so the ability to survive drought is entirely connected to this group of plants.
Ndagitari Dino Martins uria ni mutaaramu wa mithemba ya nyeki augite ugwati munene uria ungetheire bururi-ini kuremwo gwitiria ng'aragu na uguo gucungiriria ngahia cia kinduriri makiria kaunti-ini iria iri rugongo-ini rwa bururi.
Whenever we eat food, be it ugali, chapatis, we're eating grass because those are members of the grass family. But this is one group of plants that the entire country of Kenya needs. We are dependent on these plants for our tourism industry, for our wildlife industry, our national parks. There are many thousands of birds and animals and insects that depend on grasses.
Uthuthuria uria uri ibuku-ini riri utafanitio kwa ihinda ria miaka 20 na uronania nyeki iria irauka guku bururi-ini irarimwo mabururi-ini ma nanja irutitwo guku bururi-ini. Ndagitari Martins akiuga akenya matimenyete thahabu iria maikarĩire.
Meanwhile, grasses are being cultivated in other countries as a crop. Grasses which originated here in Kenya are worth millions and millions of dollars in other countries like Brazil, in the US. Meanwhile, in Kenya, we've not yet figured out how valuable they are. We really need to understand and appreciate our grasses. They are so important, they are beautiful, and we could not survive without them.
Bururi wa Kenya uri na mithemba ya nyeki makiria wa 1000. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.